Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video. So before we start this video, man, your boy's at 1,000 subscribers. Right now we almost at 1.1k subscribers. I think I'm at 1,070 subscribers or something like that. So I want to say round of applause to me. Well, not even to me, to y'all, because I provide the fire content, but y'all sharing it with y'all friends and families, y'all liking it up, y'all making very great comments, and y'all trying out the stuff that I provide, and y'all saying that y'all getting approved for these credit cards and everything. So shout out to y'all. I just want to say thank y'all for supporting me and everything. Also make sure y'all check in the description box on other ways that y'all can support. I have my Cashapp down there. I have my courses. I have where you can sign up on Robinhood, where we both get free stocks. You can sign up for Rakuten. We'll both get cash back. All different things down in the description box that's helpful for you and for me. So make sure that y'all checking that out. So yeah, we got 1,000 subscribers, man. I'm just so happy. I meant to get those little pop things that shoot the confetti out for my first video after hitting 1,000 subscribers, but I forgot to go to the store and get those. But yeah, so today, the video that we're doing today is gonna be the Floor and Decor commercial card. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the card and everything, and then I will go on my phone and show you how the application looks, what's gonna happen and everything like that. So we're doing the Floor and Decor, and also, hold on, one more thing before we get right into the video. Also, if you're interested in stocks, forex, real estate, anything, check the link down below. You can schedule a consultation with me. Also, in my video with the stock option trading, I have the courses in the description box if you want to learn how to trade options and things like that. So I am like a one-stop shop. I know, like real estate, credit, all this stuff. So just keep watching the channel and never grow. And with this Floor and Decor card, definitely once I get my first property and get more properties, I'll be able to go on Floor and Decor and get flooring to go with my real estate property. I don't have to go ask anyone for money because I have all of it available in credit. And that's what I want for y'all. Y'all don't have to go ask nobody for nothing. You can get all the money you need to do all your business ventures based off just credit, okay? So, this is the card, the Floor and Decor Pro is what Floor and Decor Pro Premier commercial card. This is no personal credit check, no PG, no personal guarantor. It's all off of business credit. I did get approved for $9,000, and this is a revolving line of credit. But the APR on it is very, very high, which is 29.99%, basically 30% annually APR. And this commercial program, when I called Floor and Decor, they said it's been out about 6 months or so, so it is a fairly new. I'm not sure why I just found out about it. I really just was on my phone with them, and I just came across for it, did the application, and I was approved for it. So it's definitely something that's going to help along the way for me. So what you will get, first I'm going to explain, and I will have the video too, and I had the link down below to apply for this card. But once you go to the website, you apply for the card, and have two cards. It's going to be the Floor and Decor Pro Premier commercial card, and that's the revolving line of credit, and that's going to be this black and red card on there. Then they have another one, I think it's like white, and that one is like a net 30, so it'll be due back and forth in 30 days. I don't want a net 30. I want something where I can carry a balance while if I'm doing a deal and I need the extra leg room or whatever, then I do have it. Let's see. So yeah, so when I did the application, what will happen is you'll do the application, then it will at the end a message will pop up and it say you'll get a letter in the mail within so many days letting you know the decision on the credit application. And mine was approved. And same thing I have for two other people, same exact thing happened. They did the application at the end. They said they would get something in the mail. So I'm not sure if anybody can get approved for a automatic approval doing that online. I think you just have to wait till the letter come in the mail, and then they'll let you know if you're approved or not. And once you're approved, it'll have the account number on here for you to log in, create an account and everything. I didn't cross out my information to show you this stuff, but yeah, it'll come with a paper on the other side. And this commercial credit card is with Community Bank. You know, the other commercial card that you get from will be either Community, Synchrony, or City. I'm not sure who else is in the commercial business credit card space with no personal guarantor. But yeah, so Community Bank is the bank behind that card. Definitely want to make sure you have business credit built up before you apply for this card. I did do a data point having somebody apply without having business credit, and they were denied due to not having enough trade lines reporting to their credit report. So definitely make sure you build your credit up, have scores generated for your Dun & Bradstreet, PayDebt Score, Equifax, and Experian business credit profiles. And also, if you need help building up your business credit or anything, you can schedule a consultation down below. Just click the description box. Let's see what else we could put on here. Also, another thing. So, for some people who may have new businesses, and when this is an application that does ask for annual income. So, my recommendation is if you just started a business, right? You have two options. You could put what you actually made. So let's just say you started a business this year and the only thing you made was $100, $20, or you may make no money, right? Instead of putting, you could put exactly what you made, or you could put 0 if you didn't make anything. Or the next thing would be is to put your projected annual sales, right? Because all these applications, a lot of them are no doc anyway. So you could put something on there, and then in the event that they did have to do a financial review or anything like that, you can let the lender know, say, hey, my business have not made this much money just yet, but this is my projected annual sales with what the business has planned out and everything like that. And that is perfectly fine from what I've seen. I personally always put what my business has made and what my actual income is, but in the event that I couldn't put that, I have seen one lender say that you could put your projected annual sales. So if you started a business, you don't have any money, instead of putting 0 or just what you put, you could put, say, hey, I plan to make $20,000, $30,000 next year. So that's what you put on there. And a lot of this stuff is, again, no doc anyways, right? And then in the event that they did ask you for a business plan or any of that stuff, have it together or create one. So yeah, that's one little gem that I can say about that. So yeah, so now let's just get into the card itself a little bit. Floor and Decor commercial card, $9,000 credit limit. And then I do have like a little math equation here breaking down how much you would pay in interest, okay? So 30% annual APR divided by 12 months within a year, that will give you 2.5 interest every month that you'll be paying on whatever balance that you're carrying, right? So now we have a scenario where you borrowed $2,000 to purchase flooring and it took you 3 months to pay it back. So 2.5 interest, 2.5% times 3 months that it took you to pay it back, you would pay 7.5% in interest, which would add up to $150, right? So you borrowed $2,000, but now you're paying back $150. Now your full total is $2,150. So now, in my opinion, interest is not bad unless it kills your profit or whatever you're trying to do it. Now, from a consumer standpoint, paying interest can, mess up what you have going. But from an investor standpoint, if I'm able to borrow $2,000 of somebody else's money, invest, fix up my property, and then only have to pay them $150 or any amount in interest and still be able to be profitable, yeah, it's going to take a little chunk away from my profit, but I'm still able to generate income and not have to risk any of my own money. And you have the flexibility of credit as well, right? So that's my opinion on that. And then I did, if it took you a whole year to pay it back. So if it took you 3 months to borrow it, you'll pay $150 in interest. Now, if it took you the whole year to pay it back, the interest you'll pay will be $600. So that'd be the 2.5% times 12 months gives you $600 in interest. So now you borrowed $2,000, but now you're paying back $2,600. Still, in my opinion, if you picked out some really, really nice flooring, you don't really have to care about that interest. And you do want to be careful about interest. Make sure you're paying your stuff back and everything like that. But flooring is something, anytime you walk into property, that's like the first thing that you're going to see. So if you go on Floor and Decor, you get some real nice snap-in flooring that looks very, very high quality and very nice, and it's fairly cheap. Like Floor and Decor has like the most cheap flooring. So you go in there, you get just some very, very nice flooring. Who cares about what the interest was, right? Because the house itself is going to pay for it, especially when you go to get your appraisal or whenever you get you a tenant who's going to be living in your property. or whatever, once they come in, they see a very high quality living place, they're going to want to make sure they take care of it, and they're going to be happy about, okay, I can see the reason for the price of this rent, and it's justifiable. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much for this. I do have a lot of content coming up. I'm sorry that I took off for so long. It's been like a month since I dropped something, but I'm gonna be more consistent. I'm back. Thank y'all for everything, all the subscribing, the likes, comments, everything. Description box down below, please make sure y'all be clicking it. All helpful links for me and for you. So I'll see you in the next video. Go apply for this card. Let me know how it turns out for you. Let me know how much you got approved for, and then I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. All right, so now once you click on the link and you're now on the website, this is where it'll come up to. You have the Pro Premier card on the left. That's the one that you need to apply for. And the one on the right was the other one I was talking about, that's just net 30. So you just scroll down, and then you can see right here they even got 6 months 0% financing, which I forgot to mention. It's also right there. So you click here, hit apply now. Come here, got everything there, and then you'll just start filling out the application. Then you'll go through next, click through everything. Then at the end, once you're done, it's going to tell you that you receive a letter in the mail. Wait for that letter in the mail to come in. And if you have your business credit built up and everything, you should get approved. If not, build your business credit up if you get denied, and then reapply. And then as far as the credit limit to choose, just pick anything. Just pick 10K. You know, just something on there. Even if your business doesn't make more than 10,000, or if your business does make more than 10,000, just put 10,000. Or you can just put 9,000 like I did. And then here's the net 31 right there. And then if you want to, maybe try to apply for both of them, and then just see what happens. But yeah, that's it for the website. All right.